I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
I've been here before, I've seen this room, I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the marble arch, and love is not a victory march. It's a chord and it's a broken hallelujah.
Well, there was a time where you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never show that to me, do ya? And remember when I moved in you, and Holy Dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. We did our best, it wasn't much, we couldn't feel, so try to touch with all the truth that didn't come to for ya. And even if it all goes wrong,
we'll stand before the Lord of Song
with nothing in our tongues but hallelujah, 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 hallelujah,
hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.